Hi everyone, Gina here with Belly Beads. Today's tutorial is a Mardi Gras necklace. I had some paper beads laying around that were already glazed and I wanted to make something out of it and I thought this was a great idea. So let's get started. I have my paper beads. This is my bicone. I have already glazed them so they're shiny to begin with. And I'm going to place some glitter that I got off of Oh So Cute by Jessica. This glitter is awesome. It's a rose gold, and I'll give you all the details below. But let's get started with some UV resin. And let's place some UV resin solution over the bead. Now remember, these beads are already glazed, so I'm going to reglaze them, make them nice and sticky, so I then can place the glitter on top of it. Now you can even mix the glitter with the resin in a small cup, but I found this to be a little bit easier for me. So now I'm going to roll the glitter around the paper bead. You can even sprinkle it on. And I'm having such a great time doing this. It's so pretty and sparkly. Get my paintbrush, just pat it down a little bit. This glitter does have some chunks in it, so I need just to pat that down. And don't worry, once you glaze them and you've placed them in the UV resin, they will not come off. I put it on a styrofoam, and then there you go. These are already done. And I think they're so pretty. Look at that. And the UV resin takes about maybe 15 seconds to cure. So you can have a necklace or piece of jewelry done within an hour. And then for a nice little trick, you can put the UV resin in a warm little container. Let's try it with some round ones. I found these to be even prettier. So I started with my UV resin. I placed a little bit on top of the bead, and I got my brush, and I just kind of rolled the paper bead along the brush very lightly. Again, you can use your finger with gloves on, and there you go. It's already glazed. I'm going to roll it in the glitter, pat it a little bit, just kind of tuck things in there, and see how pretty they are. Put it in the UV resin. While that's curing, I have some already that beads that are done, and this is how I put it together. Look how pretty they are. I have gotten some 22 gauge wire, and this wire's pink. I thought it'd give a little bit nice Mardi Gras look to it as well. And I've made a little loop, placing the paper bead through the wire, getting my wire cutters, cutting it just a little bit, enough for another little loop. My round nose pliers, I'm going to round that off, make a nice loop so I can connect them all together. Look how pretty that is. Now let's get the next one. I'm going to show you how I connect them. I'm going to grab my wire, make another little loop here, place the bead on the wire, and I'm going to cut it just a little bit, make another little loop, but this loop I am not going to finish off. I'm not going to close it. I want to keep a little bit of it open so I can connect the other bead to it, and now I close it, and there you go. This is how I've connected all of the other beads together. I didn't need a jump ring. I thought this look I wanted just to have it like that, and there we go. Look at this. I had so much fun making this. And I also made one with silver wire, so you can see what it looks like. Now all these beads were mismatched. I found them I usually keep a little box of beads that I don't know what quite to do with. So I found a great way to use them. And you can wrap it around. You can make a bracelet out of it. But I think I'm ready for the Mardi Gras. There you go. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I can make more of this content. Thank you.